first up tonight, we've got Proclamation A, proclaiming July 29th through August 5th, 2023 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week.
Move acceptance.
Second.
I've got a motion and a second. All those in favor of passing the proclamation as presented, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? All right, it passes unanimously. We have quite a few people in front of the dais, and Mr. McKee, if you wouldn't mind reading
I
that.
will be glad to, sir. Whereas Africans began arriving in the Sea Islands in the 1500s, and the population of these Africans increased as chattel enslavement grew in the 1600s, and these Africans began to engage with and in some instances created families with indigenous Americans in the region. And the descendants of the group are now called Gullah Geechee. And whereas this group of self-sufficient people came together in 1999 through the Sea Islands and low country of South Carolina, low country of the Carolinas, Georgia and Florida, to stand on their human rights of self-determination. And whereas this group took 1 year to elect their own leader, and they elected and installed St. Helena Island native whose family roots stem from the Palawana and Beaufort Islands, Quinquet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. And whereas Quinquet has served as the official head Honebodi, and spokesperson for the Gullah Geechee since July 2nd, 2000. And we support the continuation of the Gullah Geechee cultural heritage and sustainability of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Now therefore, the City Council, City of Beaufort, South Carolina, hereby proclaim July 29th through August 5th, 2023 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and call upon all of our citizens to celebrate Gullah Geechee Nation under the theme Celebrating Gullah Geechee Resiliency. In witness hereof, signed our seal of the City of Beaufort this 11th day of July, 2023.
Good evening. I'm so glad for Delia one more again in the city, and Delia with the mayor, because they had one date, they said he didn't bring a date. I said, I didn't want that date, I want the one with him did. Okay, and so thank you to all the council. I ain't gonna call your nickname this evening, but you know what it is. Robert Small. And so we're so glad to be here one more again in the city of Beaufort, and I said one more again just this year week. I've been across the street yesterday evening, and now over here this evening, and I'll be in Port Royal tomorrow evening for the proclamations and things like that. So for all of the children who just get you, y'all in the video tall, I can speak your language as well. For your record, I'm very pleased to be here tonight once again, and very happy to say that as always, our entire county is celebrating Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. We already received the Hilton Head Proclamation, we received the county proclamation, now we have yours, Bluffton's is in the mail, and then we also, because I couldn't be everywhere at one time, that's the only reason, because I'm normally at Bluffton Town Council, I couldn't go to all those meetings on the same day, and then I will get Port Rolls tomorrow. So it is wonderful that this year, on Saturday, July 29th at noon, we will actually launch the week on St. Helena Island for the first time at our Penn Center National Landmark Historic District, and where the next part of our Reconstruction era National Historical Park is located, because I know you got one in the city. All right, so the two anchor sites, but we will be there. So there'll be events at Frizzell Community House and at Darrell Hall. And so we welcome the whole city of Beaufort. Y'all come on over, bring the traffic, follow the mayor, come on over, get some good thing for Nampa. We're gonna have nice music and everything. And we will start exactly at noon, because we're gonna walk down and process to the water, honor the ancestors, and then come back up to Frizzell. So we're looking forward to having the whole city of Beaufort, the whole county of Beaufort, come and celebrate with us who we be down here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. So thank you to the city of Beaufort one more again. I think this is your 10th year celebrating this with us, and so let us keep on going for many, many more decades to come. Thank you.
Tell us one more time the date and the time.
Saturday, July the 29th, from noon to 4. Now you know that 4 part is tentative, because if you bring your dancing shoes, they're going to go maybe to 4 a.m. instead of 4 p.m. But the plan is around 4 o'clock, and that will be at Penn Center's Frizzell Community House. And then we'll also have things going on at Darrell Hall, and of course the York Bailey Museum, with Dr. York Bailey Museum, will also be open that day. So we look forward to everybody coming on out. Tell your friends to come on. It's going to be a good time. And if people want more information, just follow GullahGeecheeNation.com, and you'll keep up with details. And the event is also on Eventbrite. Gullah Geechee Family, FAMLEE, day, all right? And so definitely coming out and in the no iron Geechee for the week, so make sure you spell that right too, all right? So look forward to y'all coming on across the bridges and joining us. Thank y'all once again. Peace and blessings.
Queen Quet, thank you for continuing to be a culture keeper for the Gullah Geechee and keeping the stories alive. But not only that, being such a strong advocate and strong voice, continue for the Gullah Geechee people.
Thank you, sir, and I'm trying to continue to be a strong voice for our coast.
Yes, ma'am.
So you and I will be talking some more about some of this resiliency planning we're doing as well, and getting some funding here to our county and to our townships and our cities to help us sustain all this beauty we have in beautiful Beaufort by the sea. So I look forward to it.
Yes, ma'am.
Peace and
All right.
blessings.
Have a great day.